Hi, today we're going to work on a 97 Saturn SC2 and we're going to replace the dome door light switch.
There we go.
First thing, you take that panel off. What she's doing here, she's going to pull the wire through here. Okay, that's what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and give you this one.
Okay.
And what you do is you just attach the wire. Okay. You know what? It looks like that has to be removed. Like I removed it over there. See this part? Same thing, lift the lip. Okay, guys, you gotta lift this lip up. I'm gonna get a screwdriver and I need to pull this out.
Will this work?
Yeah, that should work. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay guys, I'm just gonna show you real quick. I just get a flathead. This is really kind of hard to do. But you're gonna put the flathead screwdriver on right in here. I'll show you. To lift that.
Can we use this?
And then we're gonna have to pull that with pliers.
Yes, can we use this?
It's perfect. Okay, see, we just pulled it out. And it looks like that. Now we can put the new part in. Okay.
Thinking it's gonna go in like this because of that thing.
Yeah. And there you go. Just snaps in like that. And then just kind of turn it. There you go. Perfect. That's good.
Lights on.
There you go.
Lights on.
And the light is now working. Okay guys, that's how you do that on a Saturn.